speaking of those new ones, next article gives us a look at a dummy unit of an upcoming iPad mini. And I mean, the kind of disappointing part here is that it doesn't seem new at all. It's not like any of those renders that people were showing off. It's not an iPad mini Pro. It looks exactly like the old iPad mini.
Yeah. Which is disheartening, to be honest.
How long can they keep selling that thing? But same time, we just talked about the success that they had with the iPhone SE. Mm-hmm. If that dummy is real and then that's the next iPad mini, and if it has the right price, people might still gravitate towards it. Mm-hmm. People may prefer a lower price and an old form factor, but it certainly looks antiquated next to those iPad Pros, especially on the front side with the giant chin and forehead. And I never really liked how that device had. It was so asymmetrical with the slimmer bezels on the side, and then it's just a weird. It would be nice to see just a modern take. Now, I'm not saying that this for sure is going to be the thing, but this is your typical series of events leading up to a new product. Oh, look at that. There's the dummy. There's the dummy unit. The surprise here is that there's been other reports that Apple is working on a major redesign for the Mini, featuring a larger 8.4-inch display to modernize the iPad Mini so it fits in with the rest of the lineup. Anyway, these come from Sonny Dixon, and I don't know, was he talking about maybe sending us one of those? I can't remember.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll take a look at it.
We'll check it out.
Maybe we'll take a look at it, but I don't know what the point is. If you handle the thing, I could just go buy an iPad Mini.
Right.
I don't know what's really different about it. I'm sure the specs would be different internally, but as far as looking at a dummy unit, what are you going to really show off if it's the same thing that it was?